Day, folks. Today we're opening up a brand new Lenovo X1 Carbon Generation 12. That's right, Generation 12, the latest in the X1 Carbon line. This one, there's several different models in this line. You have the Ultra 5 and you have the Ultra 7. Both coming with options for different RAM and different hard drive storage. This one we're going to open is the Ultra 5. This is an Intel processor. It's the 135U V Pro. This one is running the Windows 11 with 32 gigabytes of RAM. It has the 512 gigabyte hard drive. In the box you have a laptop, some documentation, and the charger. This is going to be the USB-C charger. New style. I like that it's small and very compact, ultra mobile, as opposed to the previous line of Lenovo chargers. Hey. So it has the Wi-Fi 6 capabilities on the AX211 2x2 AXV Pro wireless adapter. It's got Bluetooth 5.1. Actually, this version, because it has Windows 11, actually comes with the Bluetooth 5.3. If you get the Windows 10 version, it will have a 5.1. Let's check out the ports, because right away I can notice significant differences with the look from previous lines. This camera notch sticks out and it has like a rainbow effect here. Not sure if you can see that, but it's a nice touch to the look of the Lenovos. As you know, this Lenovo product line has largely come in the black matte finish, with the only thing that would usually stand out on these is the red symbols in the IBM, no, just kidding, in the Lenovo ThinkPad logos. But here on this model, you see this is very noticeable, very attractive. Although it's subtle, it is a nice professional touch to it. It almost looks like Japanese stainless steel, but in black. Let's check out the ports. We have here 2 USB-C ports and a USB-A port. These are 3.2 USB-A ports. And on this side, we have another USB-A port and a full-size HDMI port, which is great for corporate environment and business environments. Here you have your 3.5mm audio jack, which is also great for plugging in audio if you don't want to use Bluetooth, and the power button. And this is your locking mechanism to secure it to your desk. So that's it for the ports. Back is sleek, has a squarish look, where the front has a more angled look. Camera is one camera on here, and it's a 1080p full HDR, full HD with IR blaster with a privacy shutter, which seems to be more common now with Lenovo's. It's a 14-inch WXGA monitor using Intel graphics. You can see here Dolby Atmos, Intel V Pro, X1 Carbon, as written on here. You've got the model number, the serial number tags, And a very large sign versus unprecedentedly large. Contains a button or a coin battery. Anyway, let's turn it on. I think it's perfect weight. When you lift this laptop up, you do not get the feel that it's heavy. It's very mobile and very thin. It's considered an ultra slim notebook. Looks like it's needs some power. Let's give it some juice, shall we? We've got light, we've got life. On here also is a fingerprint reader. It's a static button, so you can't press it. It's just touch. Has a sensor there for your fingerprint. Still have the traditional Lenovo mouse button with the trackpad. Let's check the dimensions of this trackpad. Not the largest trackpad I've seen on a tablet or a laptop, but it is wider than usual. This is a 5.25 inch diagonally touchpad. Trackpad, I should say. There you have it.